So hello guys, welcome back to the next tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to learn ECG sensor interfacing with the Arduino Uno. So ECG sensor is analog in nature. Okay, so again we need to interface it with Arduino Uno. As we know, like in case of Arduino Uno, we are having AVR microcontroller. In the AVR microcontroller families, like we are using Atmega 328P-PU. In this microcontroller, we are already having inbuilt ADC module. So ADC, that is 10-bit ADC, and here we are having 6 channels. Means this Arduino Uno general purpose board is allowing 6 different type of analog sensors. We can interface it and we can read the values. Now first of all, why we are interfacing the ECG sensor and what is the use of. So these ECG sensor are mainly used for medical field. So like all the devices, biometric devices and biomedical devices are made of embedded one only. So there may chance when you will go industry or in some core companies or some medical field companies, then there may chance you have to integrate it with the medical sensors like heartbeat sensor, ECG sensor, pulse rate sensor. All this you need to interface it. So all these sensor, most of the sensors are in analog in nature, because it is reading the signals in the form of electrical pulses, and that electrical pulses is countable, and then it is passed to the Arduino Uno microcontroller, and it is reading and plotting the graph. So why we are using the ECG sensor, and why there is a need of measuring the ECG, heart diseases, in order to find out what are the heart diseases are available, and how we can cure it. So the doctor teams, they are continuously measuring the ECG when they are having doubt or there is having symptoms of heart disease. So they are mainly preferring the ECG, this thing. So ECG is mainly used to find out the different heart diseases. So there are some stages. So by that graph, cardiograph, they will get to know like what is the states of heart. So it is either systolic, dystolic, and it is swelling, heart is swelling, or it is not pumping the blood, or whether any blockage of chambers, all the 4 chambers, which are responsible to carry oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. So all these information we can get it by seeing that ECG graph. So this sensor is used to find out the heart diseases and heart position, heart status. So that's all about the basic knowledge. So this is, you can observe here. So this is our ECG sensor. Okay, so this is ECG sensor. We are having 6 pins normally. Out of 6 pins, we need to connect only 5 pins to the microcontroller. Ground we need to connect with the ground, and 3.3 volt we have to connect with the 3.3 volt. Output we need to connect with the output. LO plus and LO minus, any digital pins we need to connect it. So this sensor module is capable of giving the electrical signals, and these probes we have to connect 3 different positions, either left side, right side, heart, and some. So all this position you will get in the document. I will clearly mention like which places we can place it. So left, right, and common we have to place it. So what will happen, these probes are responsible to read the electrical pulses generated by the heart. Okay, so after connecting this 3 probe according to the diagram or whatever, then you will get the appropriate signal values, right? So let's begin. So the code you will get from the document you will get the code, or separate document you will get. So from there you can download directly, and after downloading the document, what you have to do, you have to just open the Arduino IDE, and one the normal file you have to open. In that you have to paste the content, document content, Okay, so that's all about you have to do it. Now I will explain you the each and every lines of this code. So this is just void setup function. Now there is no need of including any header file, okay, because we are not using any library or any specific library for that particular module. So directly we can start our code from the void setup function. So inside the void setup function, what we have to do, we have to just first thing is what we have to pass the baud rate. So before that, whatever statement we write in the void setup function, that will execute only one time. So in the void setup function, serial.begin and 9600 is nothing but our baud rate. So this baud rate is required to communicate with one device to another device. So if you want to communicate with if you want the communication to be happen between two different devices, there should be a set of protocols, set of rules, and that rule we have to follow. And here we are using UART as a protocol. So UART stands for Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter, which is used to communicate between two different devices. And this is the protocol we are using. So that UART protocol is asynchronous. Asynchronous means it is not using any clock pulses, unlike SPI and I2C. So here the communication is happened by using UART this baud rate techniques. So we have to set the baud rates, and this baud rate is capable of responsible to transmit the data, proper information, when the other side also the baud rate will be same only, or else 10% error if you will give also, it is successfully your information will transmit from one device to another device. So this ECG sensor we are interfacing with the Arduino Uno, and we are using UART as a protocol, and we are reading the values by using analog analog ADC we have. So from there we are reading and we are converting it into the digital ones, and after reading the value we are plotting the graph on the serial monitor of the Arduino IDE. Now void setup function, this is one function. So whatever statement we write, that will execute only one time, and this is like baud rate we are setting, and this is two inputs. So LO plus we need to connect at pin number 10, and LO minus we need to connect at pin number 11. Okay, so as I told you, only 3 pins we need to connect it. So 5 volt ground, LO plus and LO minus we need to connect. 3.3 volt we have to connect with the Arduino Uno 3.3 volt. Ground we have to connect with the ground. LO plus we need to connect with the pin number 10 of Arduino Uno, and LO minus we need to connect with the pin number 11 of Arduino Uno. So after connecting, what we have to do, actually we have to read the digital signals, and if any signals is giving the values equals to 1, that time we have to just printing, that is not relevant data, so we are just printing this one. So if any one situation, like if LO plus or LO minus is giving the value 1, means digital signal high, that time we need it means that it is in a normal state, because that graph is changing different states, so which represent different states. Else what we have to do, we have to read the signal from the ECG module, and how we are reading, we are the output pin of the ECG sensor we are directly connecting to A0 pin of the Arduino Uno, and if both the signals of ECG's LO plus and LO minus is not equals to 1, that time what it will do, it will read the signal from analog pin of Arduino Uno. After reading the pin value, what I am going to do, I am just providing some delay so that it will avoid some error. So one delay I given. So after successfully explanation of this one, then what you have to do, you have to click on the tools, and after clicking on tools, you have to serial plotter you have to. So now you can observe this graph we are getting. So this graph is like this states because time delay I given very less. So if you give more time delay, more time that you will get. So now you can see it. I didn't connect it with my body, So it is giving, although it is giving the signals like ECG1. If we connect, we'll get the proper value, what is our heart states. And here you can see the hardware connections. Hardware connection is usual, what I explained you. 3.3 volt is connected with the 3.3 volt. Ground is connected with the ground. LO plus is connected with the 10 number of Arduino Uno, and LO minus is connected with the 11th pin of the Arduino Uno, and output of the ECG module is connected with the A0 of Arduino Uno. Here you can see when you will give the sufficient supply, the red light will blink. Okay, so that's all about the ECG. So this you can use this sensor in medical field or medical related projects. Thank you.